Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of QuickEmoji, unwanted extension from Google Chrome browser. QuickEmoji extension is currently spread through fake alerts, instructing you to perform some installation of ad blocker. But in reality, this QuickEmoji is a typical browser hijacker because it changes the default search engine to something really unfamiliar. So if you are used to Google search, this QuickEmoji extension will control these important browser settings. When you add the extension to the Google Chrome, you will soon notice such unwanted alterations. So after the extension is installed and you start submitting some particular search queries, you soon may notice that the results are delivered by some unfamiliar web searches.club. Now, if you are not satisfied with such changes, of course, you need to go to the menu of your browser, click on More Tools and Extensions. Then you need to find this QuickEmoji extension. You need to deactivate it and then you may remove it. But if you see some other suspicious extensions, be sure to get rid of them too. After you get rid of these extensions you don't need, the problem should no longer occur. However, I strongly advise that you scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Once the program is installed, it will first of all update its antivirus database, so you cannot actually skip this procedure. And then you will need to click on Start Combo Scan button in order to initiate the detailed research and investigation of your Mac computer. And at the end of scan, the detailed report will be provided. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually, one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.